All right, today I have a Chevy Trailblazer, and I'm going to show you how to open the gas cap as well as how to open the fuel door on this particular Chevy Trailblazer. All right, you're going to need to know how to do this in order to fuel up your car. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of my Chevy Trailblazer. Now, what you want to do is, when you're fueling up the car, you typically put the vehicle into park, make sure the parking brake is on. That's what I typically do. And then I go ahead and turn the engine off. Very important that you turn the engine off before you open and close the fuel door gas cap. And so once you've done that, what you're gonna do is just gonna go ahead and open the door. Once you open the door, you're gonna get out of the vehicle, go ahead and shut the door. And then I'm gonna walk back to this right here. And so this door right here is where the gas cap is. This is the fuel door, the gas cap is underneath. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to go ahead and press this, and it opens right there. And then I'm able to go ahead and twist this. It says, it comes off. Then I'm able to fuel up the car. And then when I'm done, go ahead and place this backwards, close it, and then go ahead and shut it just like that. And that is how you open and close the fuel door on the Chevy Trailblazer, this particular one. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.